Have you ever wondered why the subject of money seems foreign and difficult to wrap your arms around? With all the schooling most of us had growing up, one subject was noticeably and visibly absent from the curriculum. That subject being money management. Yet your financial IQ affects every single decision you make about money, whether it's how you earn it, spend it, save it, or invest it. Here are 8 ways to improve your financial IQ. Number 1. Read up on personal finance. In today's world, it has never been easier to access information regarding personal finance, including for beginners. There are many resources available, such as books, articles, and blogs dedicated to personal finance that provide valuable insights into topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Some excellent books to consider are Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover. Many resources can be easily accessed for free, whether it's online or at a local library. There are also many channels on sites like YouTube that provide different views on personal finance that can be a good starting point. These cover a wide variety of topics related to personal finance, offering a more condensed format compared with reading a book. The key here is to start building a foundation of sound money management. By immersing yourself in reading or watching educational videos, you not only acquire practical knowledge, but also gain the confidence to make informed financial decisions, as well as increasing your financial IQ. Number 2. Understand your current financial situation. Having a clear picture of your current financial situation is key to being able to manage your money efficiently, as well as increase your financial IQ. It's like creating a map that shows your financial landscape, helping you identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. According to this article on CNBC, 61% of Americans are currently living paycheck to paycheck. The stress, anxiety, and uncertainty that comes from barely getting by financially can be avoided with a better understanding of money management. Take the time to calculate your income, expenses, debts, assets, and liabilities so that you can create a clear picture on your overall financial health. This does not have to be done all in one day, but can be broken down into smaller tasks over a period. Simply put, assets make you money, while liabilities cost you money. Once you have made these calculations and created a picture of where you are financially, this knowledge will enable you to set realistic financial goals, create an effective budget or spending plan, and make informed decisions about your money management. Number 3. Have a plan for your spending. Having a well-thought-out plan for your spending is vital to boosting your financial IQ. To quote Benjamin Franklin, "If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail." Having a spending plan, often referred to as a budget, will not only help you track and control your expenses, but also develop discipline and awareness about your spending habits. We all get tempted to buy things at a spur of the moment without giving thought to our current financial situation. But if you have a plan in place that directs how you will spend your money, you are far less likely to fall into these spending traps. By allocating your income to various categories like housing or rent, car payment, and utilities, you gain a better understanding of where your money goes and can identify areas where to cut back or move extra funds towards savings and investments. This process will empower you to make better financial choices, reduce financial stress, and ultimately increase your financial intelligence as you navigate the world of personal finance. Number 4. Identify money stressors. Identifying and addressing money stressors in your life is key to improving your financial IQ. Examples of these stressors include living with high levels of debt, living paycheck to paycheck, not having an emergency fund, high healthcare costs, or overspending. According to a survey done by CNBC, 3 out of 4 working Americans, 74%, say they are stressed about their personal finances these days. The first step is to recognize and acknowledge the challenges your current financial stressors are causing you. Ignoring them will not improve your situation and might only make it worse. As Warren Buffett states, the most important thing to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging. Ask yourself, which one of my current money stressors can I tackle first? Finding a starting place is a good way to start taking action. This could be making a commitment to stop overspending and having a friend hold you accountable to that. Some stressors may require reaching out for help or seeking outside solutions. Taking action will not be easy or comfortable, but the alternative might be worse. As you develop effective coping methods and strategies, you'll be better equipped to make smarter decisions, plan for your future, and boost your financial IQ in handling future challenges. Number 5. Develop healthy financial habits. Developing healthy financial habits is the foundation of boosting your financial IQ. Examples of healthy financial habits include developing an automatic savings plan, creating an emergency fund, learning about personal finance, or learning about investing. Developing any habit takes time and consistency. You may not see any results at the beginning, but over time, the changes you make will show up in better money management from better decision-making. To quote Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, "Change might not be fast and it isn't always easy, but with time and effort, almost any habit can be reshaped." Breaking old bad habits can prove to be an almost impossible task. Rather than focusing on breaking a bad habit like overspending, shift your focus on creating a healthier and productive habit, like creating a spending plan before you actually spend any money. Over time, the new habit will eventually replace the old habit you are looking to overcome. Healthy habits instill discipline, promote financial awareness, and enable you to make smarter choices about your money. Number 6. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is to invest in yourself. By acquiring new skills, gaining knowledge, and improving your capabilities, you increase your earning potential. Whether it's pursuing further education, taking professional development courses, or developing soft skills like communication and leadership, self-investment opens doors to better career opportunities and financial growth. Also, attending seminars and networking events in your industry or area of interest will help you grow and build professional relationships that could prove beneficial in career advancement or securing better employment opportunities. Investing in yourself is an investment that is guaranteed to pay you returns for years or decades. Ultimately, the more you invest in yourself, the better equipped you become to make sound financial decisions, secure higher-paying positions, and build a solid financial future. Number 7. Build and track your credit score. A good credit score is not only important for obtaining loans and credit cards at favorable terms, but also reveals your ability to manage credit responsibly. Having strong credit will give you more options when borrowing and save you money in the long term. That's because people with good credit scores typically get lower interest rates when borrowing money. You want to start by finding out what your credit score is, if you don't know this. The 3 major credit reporting bureaus provide a free annual copy of your credit report on request. After you review your report, you can then find out what steps to take to improve your score. By actively working to improve and maintain your credit score, you learn about credit management, the impact of financial decisions on your score, and strategies to build a solid credit history. Having this knowledge will empower you to make smart borrowing decisions and access lower interest rates. Tracking your credit score also helps you stay vigilant about identity theft and fraud. Number 8. Seek financial advice. Personal finance can be an overwhelming topic to tackle by yourself. With the multitude of topics under the umbrella of personal finance like investing, retirement planning, life insurance, or money management, it can be overwhelming to wrap your head around all these areas. Seeking financial advice from qualified professionals or experts can significantly reduce the stress of trying to tackle these alone. These individuals have the knowledge and experience to provide personalized guidance that is specific to your financial situation and goals. Whether it's consulting with a financial advisor, accountant, or investment expert, their advice can help you make better decisions on topics like investing, tax planning, or retirement planning. Also, engaging with financial advisors or successful mentors will expose you to different financial strategies and investment options, expanding your understanding of the financial landscape. By tapping into their expertise, you not only improve your financial decisions, but also gain valuable insights that will contribute to a higher level of financial intelligence over time. Improving your financial IQ is a journey well worth starting, as it's a path filled with opportunities for growth and empowerment. By dedicating time to educate yourself, adopting healthy financial habits, and seeking guidance as needed, you pave the way for a more secure financial future. Let me know in the comments which of these financial IQ tips you found most helpful. Check out my other videos on money management. Like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.